In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize file naming patterns in Sharex to make your workflow more organized. Sharex is a powerful tool for capturing screenshots and uploading them efficiently. But sometimes the default file naming conventions may not suit your needs. So let's dive into personalizing that file naming process to better align with your preferences. We'll start by addressing how to get to the right settings in Sharex. After you've opened Sharex, you need to navigate to the task settings. You can find the task settings either directly from the main window or through the menu labeled Task Settings. This is your control panel for customizing various aspects of Sharex's functionality, including our focus today, the Upload File Naming section. Once you're in the task settings, look for the section titled Upload, and then hone in on file naming. Here, you are presented with options that allow you to dictate the naming conventions for your captures or clipboard uploads. Within this realm, you'll find input boxes under headings like Name Pattern for Capture or Clipboard Upload. This is where you can employ pattern codes to create your desired file naming scheme. To give you a practical example, let's say you want a naming pattern that includes the date and time of the capture. You could set it up to appear like this: 2025 10 21 14.4305 PNG. This kind of pattern helps keep your files organized by date, making them easier to locate later on. If you often capture content from specific windows or applications, you might want to include process or window title variables in your file names. For instance, a file could be named something like Chrome 2025 10 21 14.43.05 PNG. This way, not only do you have a timestamp, but you also have the context of what was being captured at that moment. Once you've settled on your desired pattern, remember to click OK or Save in the Task Settings window. This is a crucial step to ensure that all the changes you've made are applied. With that done, anytime you capture a screenshot or upload a file using Sharex, the software will automatically use your newly set file name pattern. This tailor-made pattern can greatly streamline how you manage and retrieve your captures, benefiting your workflow immensely. And there you have it. By configuring your file naming patterns in Sharex, you gain a higher level of control and efficiency in managing your digital captures. As you continue to use Sharex, feel free to revisit these settings and tweak them as needed to better fit your evolving requirements. Thanks for watching, and happy capturing.